My name is Zachary St. Clair. I am a senior at eHigh San Bernardino. I've been in the cybersecurity pathway since my junior year, and it's been a lot of fun. We've learned a lot about networking, just computer components and wires. We've done a lot of hands-on work. Right now we're working with robots, and it's a really cool pathway. This pathway is preparing you for a lot of things. I could go into what I want to do. I want to do programming, and this pathway is also helping me prepare with that, because you have to program the robots to do what you want them to do. But it also helps you with just anything IT related. If you want to be an electrician, having the knowledge about wires and stuff like that will help. I wanted to go into work as a programmer, and so I thought this was the pathway that would help me the most. And it's right, because I've learned a lot about programming and coding than I would have in any other pathway.